Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant secure boot error. This tutorial will be quick, just make sure to subscribe and leave a like if you will find this guide useful. So Valorant requires for secure boot to be enabled and also TPM 2.0 on your BIOS. So you want to first check if it's enabled, but to check it you want to go to your system information. On system information you will see here secure boot. Here it is, secure boot state, it is on. And also you want to check TPM. So you want to write down on your search bar TPM dot MSC, just like so, and open this up. And as you can see, the TPM is ready for use. Now, if you don't have it enabled, you will need to do that. So to do that, you want to open up your settings, go to Windows Update, then scroll down, click on Advanced Options, and scroll down until you see Recovery. And after that, you're gonna click Restart Now and Restart Now. Now, after that, once the recovery options load, you want to click on Troubleshoot and then Advanced Options. On Advanced Options, you want to choose UEFI Firmware Settings. And now you click Restart. Now from here you want to go to Administer Secure Boot or Security Options. So it really depends on what PC you are using. And after that you want to make sure that it is enabled, as you can see, Enforce Secure Boot, and Secure Boot status should be enabled. Now for me, the TPM, Trusted Computing option is on Setup Utility. There you want to choose Security and you will see TPM configuration. So you just want to make sure that it is enabled. Now, after you've done with all the settings, you're gonna click Save and Exit. Now, after you've done that, you want to go ahead and check if you actually enabled it. So again, go to System Information and check on Security Boot if it's on, and also on TPM. And it should be all good. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.